Okay, so we've roasted our bird. We brought the internal temperature up to about 145 degrees. We let it rest for a good 20 to 30 minutes. Now we're gonna break it down.
Okay.
The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the legs. So simple cut right along that drumstick. So you can see like just the juices coming right off of there. Absolutely beautiful product. Now we're gonna slice our breast. Take nice simple slices. Not too thick, 3/4 of an inch to an inch. So tender. Probably do it with a butter knife. Now we're gonna separate the drumstick and the thighs. Let's let that pop. So what I'm doing here is with the thigh, this is the most moist and probably the most sought after cut, at least in my house, off the turkey. Is I'm gonna take the thigh bone out. We have the boneless thigh, we'll flip it back over. You can see the grains, and if you can see, the grains are kind of going like this. We're gonna slice it against the grain. Now we got our wings and our drumsticks. A little bit more leg meat. This is a whole roasted Golfer Road turkey by Fossil Farms. We have our 2 boneless breasts sliced. In the middle, we have our boneless thigh meat sliced. We have 2 drumsticks, 2 wing drumettes, and 2 wing tips. And of course, the cool.
So I think we learned a lot of various things today about our all-natural turkey birds. Not only great tasting, but they're 100% all natural. No hormones, no antibiotics, no steroids. Please make sure and do yourself a justice. Have yourself the best turkey possible this holiday season. Thank you so much.